Fallen are remembered, wreaths of poppies laid, medals proudly worn at cenotaph parade. For our freedom today, these men and women paid the price. For our liberty, gave the ultimate sacrifice. Remembrance of these heroes whose lives for us they gave, a bell shall toll for each heroic soul, valiant and brave. Respects are duly paid, silence not a sound. A bugle plays, for them give praise, the last post echoes round. For those that gave their lives, we are forever in their debt. We always remember, not just in November, all those we lest forget. They shall not be wearied by age, nor condemned by years gone by. In our hearts they stay, never far away, as proud the poppies lie.